Have you ever wondered about the mystical landscapes that inhabit the tales of Norse mythology? These ancient narratives, steeped in mystery and brimming with gods, giants, and mortals, aren't just epic tales. They're a profound exploration of the cosmos, a reflection of the Norse people's understanding of the world and their place within it. In these stories, each realm, each topographical feature, holds a deeper significance. They are the stages upon which the gods enact their grand dramas, where heroes are born and where cosmic destinies are fulfilled. From the majestic Yggdrasil, the world tree, to the celestial fortress of Asgard and the mortal realm of Midgard, each place is a thread in the rich tapestry of Norse cosmology. So let's embark on this journey together, exploring these mythological places and unraveling their significance. Prepare to embark on a journey through time, to the realms of gods, giants, and mortals. Imagine a celestial fortress high above the mortal realm. Welcome to Asgard. This divine realm, home to the Aesir tribe of gods and goddesses, is a place of great magnificence. Asgard is often depicted as a shining citadel, with golden halls and towering spires that touch the sky. It's a realm of grandeur, where the gods dwell and where heroes find eternal glory. In the heart of Asgard lies Valhalla, a majestic hall where brave warriors chosen by the Valkyries feast and celebrate after their earthly demise. Valhalla is more than just a hall. It is a symbol of honor and valor, a testament to the Norse valorization of bravery and heroism in battle. Envision endless tables laden with food and mead, where the air is filled with laughter, tales of bravery, and the clanging of toasting mugs. The inhabitants of Asgard are no less fascinating. The All-Father Odin, the mighty Thor, the cunning Loki, each god and goddess possesses unique attributes and tales of their deeds that are woven into the rich fabric of Norse mythology. Asgard's significance in Norse mythology is profound. It represents the divine, the unreachable, the ideal. It's a realm that mirrors the societal values and beliefs of the Norse people, reflecting their reverence for the divine, their valor in warfare, and their understanding of life and death. Yet Asgard is not merely a paradise for gods and fallen heroes. It is a key part of the cosmic order, connected to the other realms through the world tree, Yggdrasil. It's a realm that plays a crucial role in the Norse understanding of the universe and the interplay of fate, destiny, and free will. From the divine realm of Asgard, let's descend to the world of mortals. Let's explore Midgard, a realm that, while less divine, is no less significant in the grand tapestry of Norse mythology. Midgard, a realm of mortals, but no less significant in the grand scheme of Norse mythology. This realm, encircled by a vast ocean and guarded by a colossal serpent, was a place of adventure and peril, where heroes were made and legends unfolded. The creation of Midgard is a tale as old as time itself. Born from the body of the slain giant Ymir, this world was shaped by the gods Odin, Vili, and Ve. Formed from Ymir's flesh, Midgard was encased by his eyebrows, creating a fortified boundary between the realm of humans and the chaotic world of giants. Within this realm, heroes arose, their deeds echoing through the annals of Norse mythology. There was the mighty Beowulf, slayer of monsters, and the legendary Sigurd, who vanquished the dragon Fafnir. These tales of heroism were not mere stories, but reflections of human potential and the struggle against chaos and disorder. But Midgard was not an island in the cosmic sea. It was deeply connected to the other realms, bound by the mighty Yggdrasil, the world tree. This majestic ash tree, its roots and branches reaching into every realm, served as a cosmic highway, connecting Midgard to places like Asgard, the realm of the gods, and Jotunheim, the land of the giants. These connections were not just physical, but also spiritual and symbolic. The gods, though dwelling in Asgard, were deeply involved in the affairs of Midgard, guiding and sometimes meddling in the lives of mortals. This interplay between gods and humans, between the divine and the mundane, is a testament to the intricate tapestry of Norse mythology. From the world of humans, our journey takes us to the realms of cosmic beings. As we traverse the cosmos, remember, every realm, every story, every hero is a thread in the grand saga of Norse mythology, a saga that continues to captivate us, even today. Beyond the realms of gods and mortals exist places inhabited by beings of cosmic power. Jotunheim, Niflheim, and Muspelheim, each one of these realms holds a unique place in the grand narrative of Norse mythology. First, let's venture into the icy expanses of Jotunheim, the realm of the giants. A land of stark contrasts and harsh landscapes, Jotunheim is home to beings of immense strength and primal power. The giants, or Jotun, are often depicted as adversaries of the gods, but they are also forces of nature, embodying the raw, uncontrolled aspects of the world. Their realm, Jotunheim, mirrors this wildness, a land of mountains, forests, and icy rivers, untamed and untamable. From the frosty reaches of Jotunheim, we delve into the chilling depths of Niflheim. Known as the world of mists, Niflheim is a realm of cold and darkness, a place of death and decay. Here, in this shadowy realm, lies Helheim, the abode of the dishonored dead, ruled by Hel, the goddess of death. The chilling landscape of Niflheim stands as a stark contrast to the warmth and vitality of both Asgard and Midgard, embodying the inevitable end that comes to all things. Finally, we journey to the fiery domain of Muspelheim, the world of flame. This realm is the antithesis of Niflheim, a place of fire and heat, a symbol of destruction and transformation. It is home to fire giants, led by the fearsome Surtur, who is prophesied to set the world ablaze at Ragnarok, the end of times. Just as Niflheim represents death, Muspelheim represents the destructive power of fire, but also its capacity for change and rebirth. These realms, each distinct in their landscapes and inhabitants, contribute to the rich tapestry of Norse mythology. They offer more than just a backdrop for epic tales. They provide insights into the Norse understanding of the world and the cosmos. Jotunheim, with its raw and untamed landscapes, symbolizes the untamed forces of nature. Niflheim, the realm of cold and death, represents the inevitability of mortality. And Muspelheim, the land of fire and destruction, signifies the transformative power of chaos and change. These landscapes, as diverse as they are more than just settings in a story. They are integral parts of the narrative, embodying key themes and concepts in Norse mythology. They are a testament to the depth and richness of these ancient tales, which continue to captivate us with their timeless wisdom and enduring allure. In the world of Norse mythology, nothing is as simple as it seems. These enchanting landscapes and mystical realms we've traversed so far, they're not just geographical locations or homes to gods, giants, and men. They are, in fact, profound symbols, rich with deeper meanings and lessons. Let's delve into this fascinating symbolism. Consider Yggdrasil, the cosmic tree. It's not merely a tree, but a symbol of life, growth, and connection. Its roots and branches span the cosmos, linking the 9 realms, representing the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. Asgard, the celestial fortress, is not just a dwelling of gods. It is a symbol of divine order, a beacon of hope and protection, embodying the Norse belief in the guardianship of the gods. The great halls of Valhalla, where brave warriors feast and prepare for the end times, symbolize honor, bravery, and the glorious reward for valiant deeds. Midgard, the realm of humans, is more than just our earthly home. It represents humanity's place in the cosmic order, sandwiched between the divine and the monstrous, constantly striving, constantly evolving. It's a symbol of our potential, our resilience, and our capacity for both creation and destruction. The other realms too, like Jotunheim, Niflheim, and Muspelheim, each hold their own symbolism. Jotunheim, home to the giants, represents the wild, untamed forces of nature. Niflheim, the realm of ice and mist, symbolizes the chilling fear of the unknown, the darkness we must all face. And Muspelheim, the land of fire, symbolizes the transformative power of destruction and renewal, a reminder of the cyclical nature of existence. These symbols and their deeper meanings were integral to the Norse worldview. They helped our ancestors make sense of the world around them, understand their place in it, and navigate the challenges of life. They encapsulated their beliefs, their values, and their wisdom, passed down through generations in the form of captivating tales and myths. So, as we explore these mythical places, we're not just sightseeing, we're journeying through a symbolic landscape, a map of the Norse psyche, a guide to their understanding of life, the universe, and everything in it. We're uncovering a treasure trove of ancient wisdom, a rich tapestry of symbolic meanings that still resonate with us today. As we unveil these secrets, we hope to inspire your curiosity and connection to these ancient myths, because these aren't just old stories. They're timeless lessons, universal truths, and profound insights into the human condition, cloaked in the guise of myth and legend. And their significance, like the realms themselves, is far more than meets the eye. As our journey through the realms of Norse mythology comes to an end, the true exploration begins. The landscapes we've traversed, the realms we've unveiled, they're more than mere locations within ancient tales. They are symbols, metaphors, and vessels of profound wisdom. They're the embodiment of a culture's understanding of the universe and our place within it. The grandeur of Asgard and Midgard, the stark contrasts of Jotunheim, Niflheim, and Muspelheim, they all carry significance. They're mirrors reflecting the cosmic order, the cycle of life, and the interconnectedness of all things. They shine a light on the ancient Norse perception of the world, where gods, giants, and mortals were entwined in a cosmic dance. But our journey doesn't stop here. The beauty of mythology is that it's a living, breathing entity. It evolves and adapts, shaping and being shaped by the cultures that embrace it. The Norse mythological places we've explored today are not relics of the past, but vibrant, vital parts of our collective consciousness. So, we invite you to continue this exploration. Dive deeper into the myths and legends, the sagas and epics. Let the grandeur of Asgard inspire your dreams. Let the mysteries of Midgard stir your curiosity. Let the stark contrasts of Jotunheim, Niflheim, and Muspelheim ignite your imagination. Reflect on the journey we've taken, the places we've visited, and the significance they hold. Let these sacred sites become a part of your understanding of the world. Let them inspire you to ask questions, to seek answers, and to embrace the mysteries of the universe. As we part ways, remember that every ending is but a new beginning. The landscapes may fade, the music may quiet, but the echoes of the tales and the wisdom they impart will linger. They will continue to enchant and captivate, to stir wonder and ignite curiosity. May the tales and significance of Norse mythological places continue to enchant and captivate your imagination. And as you continue your journey, may you find joy in the exploration, wisdom in the tales, and inspiration in the mysteries. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating odyssey. We've journeyed through the mystical realms of Norse mythology, each place holding a unique significance that intertwines with the grand tapestry of ancient Norse tales. We began with the sacred landscapes, where the majestic Yggdrasil stands tall and the ethereal realms of Asgard and Midgard exist, each holding a distinct place within the cosmic order. Asgard, the celestial fortress of the gods, is not just a divine citadel, but a symbol of celestial power and heavenly grandeur. Our journey then took us to Midgard, the realm of humans, where tales of heroic deeds and divine intervention echo through time. Here, the intricate connections between mortals and the divine remind us of our own place in the grand scheme of things. Beyond the familiar, we ventured into the mysterious realms of Jotunheim, Niflheim, and Muspelheim. Each realm, teeming with cosmic beings, holds its own distinct significance, representing the diverse elements of the cosmos and the balance of power within the universe. But remember, these mythological places are not just mere settings of ancient tales. They are symbols, representing the cosmic order, the cycle of life, and the interconnectedness of the universe. They hold deeper meanings, imparting lessons that resonate with us even today. As we conclude our journey, we invite you to continue exploring. There is so much more to discover, so many more tales to unravel. Let the significance of these sacred sites inspire your imagination, deepen your understanding, and draw you closer to the ancient myths. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep unraveling the mysteries of the Norse mythological realms. Let the enchanting tales and profound significance of these places captivate your imagination, fuel your curiosity, and ignite your passion for mythology. We look forward to embarking on more legendary journeys with you soon.